Okay, I'm back with another bougie on a budget, and I'm sick, so excuse my voice. But all of these are from the Yellow app, and they'll all be linked in my beacons and my bio, and if you don't see it, just message me and I can send you the link. But this is the first one. I don't know what you call this bag, but it's just a little Gucci shoulder bag type thing. Kind of small, just a cute little small bag. But this one came with this kind of strap, and you can tighten it all the way up to here, so it'd be like that. So it's however long you want it, but just a little shoulder bag. And obviously you can buy a longer strap for it, and it came with a dust bag. So that was the first one. Next is this white Chanel one. I really like this one because the strap isn't too long, so it's kind of right where you want it to be. Inside is that red color. That's all card pockets in the back. Change pocket right there, another small pocket right here, and a pocket in the back. So that one's a really good one, and it came with a dust bag also. And then these Golden Goose shoes, they have the little star right there, that in the inside. Can't really see it, but Golden Goose right there, and Golden Goose right there again. You can't really see it, but it's there. So these are really nice quality shoes. I'm not gonna lie, when they came in, they kind of had that smell from China, but we just sat it outside and they got better. But it came with dust bag also. These are from a seller. Both of these are. They're from the same seller. So a lot nicer quality, but a little higher price. So it just depends on what you want. The first is this Gucci bag. It's a Gucci Horsebit. It's about that thick. Really nice quality. I like it. Like the symbols line up and everything like a real bag. It's got this kind of strap that you can adjust the length of. It's kind of hard to open because it's an anti-theft bag or whatever, but you have to like lift up and then slide it out. But nice big inside. There's no pockets, but it's just a big open bag that you can put whatever you want in. And to close it, you have to get it to line back up. But that's a really nice one. I really like that one. So that was the first one. Next, Chanel bag. This one is a black purse. It's comes in a dust bag like that. And then here's the purse. I love this one because I've been wanting one that kind of looks like a handheld bag but also has a long strap. So I'll unwrap it and show you. Okay, here it is unwrapped. This is adorable. Might be my new favorite purse. But you open it by twisting it, open it up, and then it's this big old inside with pocket right there, zipper pocket right there. And I have this wallet. Obviously it's different styles, but I mean different people, but it fits in there perfectly, and you can carry about anything in it. So perfect for an everyday bag or a dressy cute outfit. All of these will be linked in my beacons in my bio. And if you don't see it, just message me and I can send you the link so you can get you some.